Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Liam. It is great to have you with us for another lesson. Today, we are tackling a situation everyone faces when traveling.
That is right. We are going to learn how to ask for directions. It can feel a little scary to stop a stranger, but with a few key phrases, it becomes much easier.
Exactly. We will practice how to stop someone politely. We will practice how to ask your question clearly. And most importantly, we will practice how to understand the answer.
We will go through a few different scenarios, so you will be ready for anything. Let us get started. And do not forget to like and subscribe for more helpful lessons.
Okay, Olivia, let us set the scene. You are in a new city. Your phone battery is dead, and you need to find a famous museum. What is the first thing you do?
Well, you need to find someone to ask. I look for someone who looks friendly and is not in a big hurry. Maybe a family or someone walking their dog.
That is a good strategy. And then, the most important part is how you start the conversation. You do not just say, "Where is the museum?" That can be a bit direct.
Right. You need to be polite. Let us have our first role play. I will be a local person, and you can be the traveler.
Perfect. I am looking for the City Art Museum. Let us go.
Excuse me, miss.
Oh, hello. Yes, can I help you?
Yes, thank you. I am sorry to bother you. I am trying to find the City Art Museum. Is it far from here?
The art museum? No, it is not far at all. It is a really nice walk from here. Maybe 10 or 15 minutes.
Oh, that is great to hear. I was worried it was on the other side of the city.
Not at all. You see this main road here? You need to go straight down this street for about 5 blocks.
Okay, straight down this road for 5 blocks.
Yes, you will pass a big blue fountain on your right. You cannot miss it. After the fountain, take the next left turn onto Maple Street.
So, straight until I see the fountain. Then turn left onto Maple Street.
That is it. Then just walk for another 2 minutes, and you will see the museum on your left. It is a very big white building.
Okay, straight, left at the fountain, and it is on the left. Thank you so much. You have been very helpful.
You are very welcome. Enjoy your visit to the museum.
See? That was a very friendly and clear interaction. He started with, "I am sorry to bother you," which is a perfect, polite way to get someone's attention.
And she gave very clear instructions. She used landmarks, like the big blue fountain. Landmarks are often easier to follow than just street names. She also said, "You cannot miss it," which is a common and reassuring phrase.
Now, sometimes the place you are looking for is a bit further away, and the directions are more complex. Let us try a second scenario, where you need to find the central train station.
Okay, that sounds good. Sometimes you need to take public transport or walk for a longer time. I will be the traveler again, and you can be the local person.
Sorry to trouble you. I need to get to the central train station. Can you point me in the right direction?
The central station? Sure. Honestly, it is a bit of a walk from here, I have to be honest. It would take about 25 or 30 minutes on foot.
Oh, I see. Is there a bus I can take?
There is, but it is actually very easy to walk. You just go straight down this avenue until you reach the river.
Okay, straight until the river.
When you get to the river, you will see a beautiful pedestrian bridge. You need to cross that bridge. Do not go along the river.
Cross the bridge. Got it.
Once you are on the other side, turn right immediately. Then just follow that road for about 5 minutes. The station is a huge old building right at the end of the road. You will definitely see it.
Let me make sure I have it. Straight to the river. Cross the bridge. Turn right. And then follow the road.
That is exactly right. You will be there in no time.
Thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate it.
No problem at all. Have a safe trip.
Those directions were a little longer, but still very clear. Notice how I repeated the directions back to her. Straight to the river, cross the bridge, turn right. This is a great way to make sure you understood correctly.
Yes, that is a fantastic tip. It shows you were listening. and it gives the person a chance to correct you if you are wrong. Now, what if you get lost while following the direction? It happens to everyone.
That is a great point. You should not be afraid to ask a second person for help. Let us do one more quick role play, where the traveler asks for clarification because he is a little confused.
Okay, I will be the traveler this time, and you can be the local person.
Excuse me, I am so sorry. Someone told me to turn left at the post office to find a pharmacy, but I do not see a post office.
Oh, that is no problem. The post office is actually on the next street over. It is easy to miss. Are you looking for the Blue Cross pharmacy?
Yes, that is the one.
Okay, you are actually very close. Just go to the next traffic light and turn right. Then you will see the post office on your left, and the pharmacy is right next to it.
Oh, I see. So I turn right at the light, not left. Thank you for clearing that up.
My pleasure. It is right around the corner.
Perfect. He was not afraid to ask again. Using phrases like, "I am sorry, someone told me," is a great way to explain your confusion without feeling embarrassed.
And the local person was happy to help and give more specific details. The key is to always be polite and not give up. Most people are very happy to help a visitor.
Let us quickly review some of the most useful phrases we learned today.
Absolutely. Here are the key phrases for asking for directions. Excuse me, sorry to bother you. I am trying to find the museum. Is it far from here? Can you point me in the right direction? Go straight, /turn left, /turn right. It is on your left, right, from. You cannot miss it. Let me make sure I have it. I am sorry. Someone told me to ask for clarification. Thank you. You have been very helpful.
Now it is your turn to practice. This is the most important part.
Imagine you are looking for a beautiful city park. How would you ask someone for directions? Write your full question in the comments below.
For example, "Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to Central Park?" We read every single comment and love to see you practicing.
Thank you so much for joining us and for practicing your English today. You are doing great.
Keep practicing these phrases. Try to use them even when you are just thinking about traveling. Confidence comes with practice.
If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Daily English for more lessons.
See you in the next video. Happy learning. Goodbye.
Bye.